Are eye workouts effective for reducing eye strain? Buckle up, because we are about to talk about effective eye workouts. Yeah, you heard me. Not arm workouts, not leg workouts, but eye workouts. You know, for those tiny eye muscles, we have been overworking with TikTok videos, Instagram Reels and endless YouTube videos. Apparently our eyes are tired, and the solution isn't only less screen, but also actual eye exercises. It's like a CrossFit but for your eyeballs. But you can give your eye muscle a proper stretch and renew eye muscle flexibility to reduce eye strain and make them more endurable. But does it work? Eye gyms, where your couch is a treadmill. Forget pushing yourself to the gym. For eye workouts, you don't even have to leave your couch. These eye exercises are more about giving your eyes a break than lifting any heavy weights. That means you can stay horizontal, look away from the screens for 20 seconds, and bam, you just completed a set. If only every workout was this easy, right? Imagine a world where resting your eyes is considered a fitness. That's right. You get to be lazy and productive at the same time. It's like they found a way to make doing nothing the new self-care trend. The great eye roll workout. A true eye opener. One of the classics in eye workouts is rolling your eyes. Now I know what you are thinking. I've been doing that since middle school, every time my parents say it because I said so. Turns out you were ahead of the game. Rolling your eyes in a controlled, intentional way can help with eye muscle flexibility. So next time someone annoys you, just say you are working on my ocular health. I mean, technically it's true. But if you can try to look slowly, without straining your eyes, at a big distance, for people with myopia to look around perfectly aligned imaginary circle, without skipping parts of it, and with the same speed with relaxed eye muscles, you need years of training to make it. First, to develop in your brain new neural connection and new visual pathways to master technique, to learn feel your eyes and eye muscle to relax both of them. It is not that easy as it seems. Eye stretching for the overworked eyes. Here where it gets interesting. Every 1 minute, you look at something 20 feet or 5 meters away for a few seconds to avoid accommodative spasms. And it's like sending your eyes on a mini vacation. If anyone asks, tell them you are focusing on your optical wellness journey. That will confuse them just long enough for your eyes to recover. At least every 30 minutes, nice to stand up from chair, take a walk, close your eyes to rest and recover. Eye workouts with social media. Who wins? Now some of you might be wondering, can I work out while binge watching? Short answer, if you staring at your screen for hours without looking away, you are not exactly giving your eyes the break they need. But if you hit pause every 20 minutes to gaze out the window, like you are in a music video about lost love, you might just balance out the damage. Maybe, possibly, but it's worth to try, right? Trying to do both, it's like running on a treadmill while eating a cheeseburger. Counterproductive, but impressive. So do eye workouts actually work? You're waiting for the big reveal, right? Do these workouts actually reduce eye strain? The answer is yes. Definitely you need to try. They can help with the fatigue and tension from staring at the screens all day. But spoiler alert, they are not miracle workers. You can expect to do a few eye rolls with incorrect technique and suddenly have the vision of an eagle. They're more like maintenance. You should do them to keep your eyes in shape, like flossing, but for your vision. If you're just looking to ease the eye strain from hours of staring at the spreadsheets or Twitter threads, they do help. Think of them like tiny stretch breaks for your eyeballs, just enough to keep them functioning, not enough to get them ripped. The final blink, to work out or not work out, flexing those eye muscles. So, are eye workouts worth it? Definitely yes, especially if you are glued to your devices all day alone. Should you start scheduling an eye day along with the leg day? Absolutely. It's the easiest workout you will ever do. You will get to take a little vision vacations throughout the day. Take a look on a well-structured course, Eyesight Academy, if you are serious to start improving your health and visual wellness. Just think of it as giving your eyes a little spa day. No cucumber slices required. Your eyes will thank you, and so will your brain when it's dealing with screen-induced headaches.